Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home to all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company by the name of Avicanna Incorporated. There's a lot going on with this one. I'm excited to cover them in today's video, but before we do, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a huge help to myself and the channel. It's 100% free to do, and it helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We just crossed 43,000 subscribers. We'd love to have you as part of the community. And finally, let me know in the comment section below if you're holding shares of Avicanna, your thoughts and outlook on this sector, and your overall feelings towards this company. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be focusing on Avicanna Incorporated. Now this company is focused on finding solutions using cannabinoid products or cannabis as a root ingredient to a lot of their therapeutics. As mentioned in the intro, this is a commercial stage company. So as we move through the investor presentation, you're going to see some of the products that are already available in the market. And this is a snapshot as of Monday, April 1st. You can see they're up just under 2% on the session, 1 cent per share, currently trading hands at 53 cents Canadian. They trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker AVCN and on the OTC in the United States under the ticker AVCNF. Market cap on Avicanna Incorporated is right around $50 million Canadian. And if we look at a 6-month view, you can see they hit pretty strong support at the end of January of last year in the 30-cent range. And since then have really been building quite a bullish pattern, ascending all the way from 30 cents again at the start of this year to a high just shy of 60 cents, topping out at 57 cents on the 18th of March. And now again currently trading hands just north of 50 cents. Now because this is the first time covering Avicanna on the channel, I wanted to jump into the investor presentation, but before we do, we'll stop at the corporate website. I'll leave this linked in the video description below as well. Take a quick look at the About Us section. So again, this is a Canadian commercial stage biopharmaceutical company established in research, development, and commercialization of evidence-based cannabinoid products for the global medical and pharmaceutical markets. And what I really like about this company is their diverse portfolio of proprietary cannabinoid-based products. You can see in excess 30 products already in commercialization and a robust pharmaceutical pipeline. Now with that being said, we're going to look at their proprietary formulation and drug candidates in a little bit as we jump into the investor presentation, but I wanted to quickly look at the corporate website portfolio section. You can see their RHO Phyto and their TruNeurox platforms, and if you scroll down here, again, a great description of how these cannabidiol based products are leveraging Avicanna's scientific platform, the vertical integration of this company, and real-world evidence to put forward indication-specific drug candidates that are in various stages of clinical development. So with that being said, we're now going to shift gears into the updated investor presentation. This came out just in the first quarter of 2024. You can see the tickers listed here. And as you move through the presentation, you can see first and foremost is their corporate highlight, really anchored in 2 core pillars. The first being their scientific platform. So this industry-leading scientific and medical platform, the partnerships with these leading academic and clinical institutions, and their proprietary and indication-specific pharmaceutical pipeline, which I just mentioned, plus their commercial platform or commercialization strategy. So they've got 3 active and growing business segments, which we're going to look at in more detail, all focused on addressing the global medical and pharmaceutical market opportunities. Record financial performance in the third quarter of last year of $6.2 million of revenue. And as mentioned in the intro, 30 plus commercial stage proprietary SKUs or products within their portfolio. Now, as you can imagine, a very busy timeline over the last few years, really spanning from their initial IPO back in 2019, the launch and expansion of their brands into the retail channels here in Canada, their first major supply agreements with international pharmaceutical companies coming online in 2022, and then of course some acquisition activity in 2023. Now, it's worth noting up top, although the scientific platform originated here in Canada, Avicanna has now successfully commercialized its proprietary products and is serving 19 international markets, with the three major business units or pillars referenced earlier being the RHO Phyto platform, which is in commercial status, MyMedi.ca, which is a medical cannabis pharmacy platform, and of course their pharmaceutical pipeline. So this is where it gets really interesting for Avicanna Incorporated. So their scientific or R&D platform is built again using evidence-based cannabinoid products, working in partnership with Health Canada and actually the recipient of 11 Canadian government research grants since 2020. Now you can see they've got 10 plus scientists working in their R&D division, 7 pending patents, and again 30 proprietary commercial products already under their belt. Now, in terms of the partnerships or collaborations that they have with Avicanna Incorporated, you're going to get access to the University of Toronto, Sunnybrook Health Sciences Center, University of Guelph, Langara, and a number of other world-class institutions that really help validate the products Avicanna is bringing to market. Now, the second pillar, which again is focused around commercial products and pipeline, really serving that global marketplace with these proprietary cannabinoid products. A great example of which is their RHO Phyto platform. So you can see a number of different products ranging from gummies, tablets, capsules, drops, local creams, and water-soluble infusers, harnessing both CBD, THC, and CBG for international medical and wellness markets. So currently Avicanna is working with a number of national medical channels listed here, along with provincial retail channels and distribution, which in total represent 133 total commercial listings here in Canada, 80 commercial listings across medical channels, 27 of which are on the MyMedi.ca platform. Now, speaking of MyMedi.ca, that's a perfect segue to this slide here. Really set out to become a complete medical cannabis care platform for Canadian patients and the medical community. You can see they offer over 35 brands with 200 plus SKUs on the platform. It's pharmacist-led and bilingual, obviously important here in Canada, with coverage and adjudication through both private and public payers. Now, since launch, they've seen 96% retention in terms of patients that were active on medical cannabis by shoppers transitioning over to MyMedi.ca. They're working with 15 private insurance providers and 8 provincial worker safety boards, over 1,500 actively prescribed HCPs or healthcare partners, and 57 clinic partners, and a continuation of their previously launched pilot programs with that real-world evidence clinical trials and major Canadian hospitals. And again, this is really just the start of the possibilities or the total addressable market for some of these drug candidates, with a focal point on things like helping sleep, eczema, pain management, anxiety, depression, and epilepsy through their R&D platform and their preclinical studies or registration stage studies. And the Trunerox CBD formulation is a great example of another pharmaceutical drug preparation, which is pending market authorization. So another one that's on the horizon in 2024 for Avicanna. Now they then finish off the presentation with a quick look at their financial and capital structure. You can see increasing revenue over the last 4 quarters along with EBITDA, and a total of about 88 million common shares outstanding. So for those reasons, you guys, this one definitely caught my eye. If you're looking for exposure to cannabis-based health solutions or technology, I'd be curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, specifically if you're already holding shares of Avicanna Incorporated and your outlook for this sector in 2024. Now, if you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button, you guys. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And with that being said, that's all for now, and we'll see you in the next video.